Enjoy a better workplace break room. With 365 Micromarkets, you can utilize a break room solution that provides a wide range of fresh and healthy options. Powered by our line of MM6 kiosks, it's easy for you to enjoy your favorite snack, meal, or drink. With intuitive navigation and multiple payment options, checkout is easy. You simply scan, pay, and go. Here is how to check out through MM6. Step 1. Select your favorite products from the fridges or snack racks. Step 2. Scan your products on the kiosk barcode scanner. Need to check out something without a barcode? Use the product search button. Step 3. Pay for your product and enjoy. MM6 features many different checkout methods you can use. Here are your options. Pay with credit card via tap or dip at the cashless reader. Use Apple Pay or Google Pay at the cashless reader. Or you can create a stored value account and pay via virtual wallet or 365 Pay app. With a virtual wallet, you can add funds, earn loyalty rewards, and add your badge or fingerprint for rapid checkout. To create an account on the kiosk, select Create Account at the top of the screen. Then choose to associate your account with a barcode scan ID or a fingerprint. If you choose barcode, scan your badge. If you choose fingerprint, press and lift your fingerprint on the scanner 4 times. From there, create a 4-digit PIN to associate with the account. Confirm the PIN. Now input your first and last name. Next, associate your email with your account. You're all set. Your Micromarket account is created and ready to use. Once logged in, you can fund your account, set up your badge, register your fingerprint, or edit your PIN. You can also start building and tracking rewards. Imagine the 365 Pay app as a mobile extension of your virtual wallet. To use the 365 Pay app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once opened, select I've never used this app. If you've already made an account on the kiosk, select Link Existing Account. From here, you can scan the QR code on the kiosk, scan your market card, or manually enter your email and PIN. This will tie the app to your existing account. If you're creating an account for the first time, select Create an Account. Enter your email and password, and we'll send you an email to confirm your account. Click the link in your email and select Sign In on the mobile app. Select your country, enter your information, accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Enter your demographic info if you'd like. Finally, add a credit card for funding your account. You're good to go. You can now select your products at the kiosk and pay with 365 Pay by scanning the QR code at the barcode scanner. Whichever way you choose to pay, we've got you covered. With MM6 for Markets by 365, you can count on a better break room experience.